My name is Florian Horn. It is my privilege to speak to you on behalf of the Austrian League for Human Rights. The League again this year was able to organize an alliance of more than 250 organizations of the Austrian civil society in one comprehensive joint statement. We thank the representatives for listening to the concerns voiced in this pre-session. For further reference, we also refer to our joint statement, which lists all organizations participating in their respective fields. In the short time of this statement, I can only briefly touch on some of the important issues. One of those is women's rights. Domestic violence against women has increased in recent years, reaching a peak during the lockdown period of the COVID-19 crisis. Attempts to counter this increase by legal amendments focus too much on harsher punishment of perpetrators and too little on prevention. Therefore, we stress the importance to create a new national action plan, protection from violence against women, and to improve data collection on gender-based violence and femicide. Also regarding persons with disabilities, still many open issues remain. The National Action Plan for Disability lacks clarity and was not efficiently implemented. In the last circle, state representatives have also emphasized the importance of establishment of an inclusive education system. However, up to this day, the segregation of children with disabilities in special educational institutions is still a fact. We demand the preparation of a comprehensive strategy to deinstitutionalize children with disabilities. Regarding refugees and asylum seekers too, the handling of unaccompanied children and young people in the asylum procedure is still not satisfactory. The care of minor foreigners must be guaranteed by child and youth welfare services from the first day of their arrival in Austria. Furthermore, Austria has introduced an agency for care and support services for refugees. While taking responsibility for welfare and housing of refugees, this organization also takes over the legal counseling from the existing independent organizations of civil society. This infringes the fundamental right to an effective legal remedy. Therefore, we demand real independent legal advice for asylum seekers. Continuing on the rule of law, public consultations were not improved in the legislative process, but deteriorated within the review period. This is contrary to the statement in the current state report. These problems were elevated in the COVID-19 crisis and the legal measures taken therein. Numerous government measures have already been repealed by the Constitutional Court. At the same time, public statements by government officials still seem to willingly accept such breach of constitutional norms. The Austrian government has failed to make necessary considerations regarding the proportionality of the measures taken. I thank you for your attention and time and your dedication for human rights.